Are you frustrated because Android Studio keeps throwing a password verification failed error when you try to load your projects? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue and get you back to coding in no time. I completely understand how annoying it is when you just want to dive into your project, but instead, you're met with error messages. This is a common problem many developers face, especially after updates. Let's look at the specific situation. One user reported that when they try to load any project from GitHub, they encounter the error message stating, Gradle project refresh failed, password verification failed. Sound familiar? If so, let's explore this together. So what could be causing this error? It often relates to issues with your Keystore file or Gradle settings, especially after updates. Don't worry, we will break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that can help prevent this issue from happening again in the future. To begin resolving the password verification failed error in Android Studio, the user should first check their Gradle settings. This includes ensuring that the correct Keystore file is being referenced in the project. Next, the user should confirm that the Keystore password and alias are correctly specified in the Gradle configuration. This is crucial for successful authentication. If the settings are correct, the user should try invalidating the caches in Android Studio. This can help resolve any lingering issues related to project configuration. Finally, if the issue persists, the user may need to update their Gradle version. Sometimes compatibility issues arise after updates, and using the latest version can help. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Android Studio was released in 2013? We've come a long way since then, but some issues still pop up now and then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests creating a new Keystore if you're facing the password verification error. They recommend going to Build, then Generate Signed Bundle, or APK, and selecting Create New to generate a new Keystore. Here's the tip I promised. Always back up your Keystore files and keep your Gradle settings documented. This can save you a lot of headaches in the future. And there you have it. You should be able to resolve the password verification failed error now. Remember, keeping your Keystore and Gradle settings in check is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss our next video on optimizing your Android development workflow.